Hey everyone, I wanted to follow the theme from last week's video of maintaining your solar system and touch on a pretty important issue many homeowners face after going solar: pest infestations. But before we get into this topic, I want to remind you to click that subscribe button down below. Yeah, the one right there. And if you're experiencing a pest infestation under or around your solar system, please follow the link in the description below. We offer free on-site and over-the-phone estimates to customers in our area. Now, going solar is an investment. We all understand this. And as we discussed in our solar maintenance video, you want to protect your investment to ensure its longevity. And while most modern day solar systems don't require as much routine checkups as older systems, they are still prone to infestation of birds and other small rodents like squirrels. As of 2018, we began to include pest abatement barriers on all new customer solar installations as a standard practice. This was due to some homeowners, not always our customers, experiencing severe bird infestations, which can be very expensive to remedy once the infestation has begun. The issues surrounding the infestations are not only for sanitary and health reasons, but for potential electrical fires by means of the rodents chewing on the electrical wires. Canada has passed building codes mandating the installation of pest barriers for all new solar systems. And they aren't the only country doing this. The UK recently announced they're looking into doing something similar. Currently, the only state in the US that is considering to add this type of mandate to their building standards is Rhode Island. But just because it's not mandated doesn't mean you shouldn't consider it for your solar system. There are currently two products available on the market that we use. The first being Critter Guard by Snapnrack. It's our budget-friendly solution as it's inexpensive and does a great job of keeping critters out. We tend to use this product the most on existing solar system as it's designed to snap onto virtually any module, and the mesh can be molded to fit just about any style of roofing. The second product we use is solatrim, and this is the product we include with every solar installation. This is an aesthetically pleasing, all-weather, long-lasting pest and debris abatement product. Its simple but rigid design allows for a clean, molded look around the solar array, and it makes a system appear as though it's built into the roof. Its perforations allow for air to blow under the array still to keep the modules cool for co-efficiency reasons. During a new installation, we cut the solar trim to match your style of roof. It's worth noting that neither of these products void solar panel manufacturer warranties when installed properly, though the same can't be said if a bird or a squirrel decides to chew through some of the wires under the solar array and cause a short. When you win solar, regardless if it's financed, leased, or owned outright, you are making an investment and you want to protect that investment. And the best way to do that is to take appropriate actions in preventing infestations like the ones I've shown. It's recommended to contact a company before an infestation occurs, because once one does, the cost increases drastically because we have to remove debris buildup from the infestation and disinfect the area. It's hard for me to provide a price estimate for you in this video because there's several varying factors, but in most cases you can estimate about $500 before an infestation just for the bird guard, with removal and disinfecting costs adding as much as $2,000 or more for serious infestations. If you or someone you know lives in Southern California and you have a pest infestation under or around your solar system, give us a call. We offer free on-site and over-the-phone estimates. We'd be thrilled to have you as a customer. Please be sure to give this video a like and share it with others. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.